Cleaning your XO Gourmet Cube Ice Machine, part of the XO library of how-to videos. Routine maintenance like this should be conducted at least every 6 months, more frequently if required, and a good quality water filter is highly recommended. Cleaning your machine is going to require some supplies: a bottle of ice machine cleaning solution, dish detergent, safety glasses and rubber gloves, a soft bristled scrub brush, measuring cups, clean sponges, and lint-free wiping cloths. Prepare a cleaning solution of dish detergent and cold water. Make certain that the ice machine cleaning solution you purchase is safe for nickel and stainless steel. And be sure to read all of the manufacturer's instructions, particularly those pertaining to safety and use. Before beginning, turn the machine off and remove all ice from the storage bin. Next, we have to remove the top cover, which is held in place by 2 screws in the upper right and left corners. Then grasp the cover and pull it out. You'll find it fits snugly. Place the cover in the sink to be washed later. Next, remove the ice slide by lifting slightly. After removing it, place it in the sink to be washed along with the other parts. In the bottom of the upper bin on the left-hand side is a gray rubber plug. Remove the plug from the bottom and let that bin drain completely. Move the drain tube located in the rear left-hand corner and then remove the lower drain filter. Place this aside with the other parts to be washed. Next, remove the upper drain filter. This is located in the rear left-hand side of the upper bin. After removal, place it aside with the other parts to be washed, and scrub the interior of the unit thoroughly. Use your soft bristled brush to clean the stainless steel spray nozzles. After you've thoroughly scrubbed the interior, use a damp, lint-free cloth to wipe it down and remove the soap and dirt that remain. Rinse the cloth frequently. Now scrub and rinse thoroughly all the parts that were removed at the beginning of this video. Use dish detergent and make sure to rinse them in running water. After cleaning the parts, it's time to reassemble them in reverse order. Replace the gray rubber drain plug, then the lower filter screen, next the black plastic filter screen in the top bin, and then finally the ice slide. Before installing the top cover, pour the entire contents of your ice machine cleaner solution into the top bin. Now, reinstall the top cover using the 2 screws that you removed at the beginning. Pour a gallon of fresh water into the lower bin. Switch the ice maker to the wash position. After the wash cycle is completed, turn the ice maker on, and remember to always discard the first batch of ice after cleaning. Remember to vacuum the toe kick air vents and wash the ice scoop frequently with other utensils. And we're all done. Remember, frequent cleaning and maintenance will help keep your ice crystal clear and delicious. And the right ice matters. Thanks for choosing XO.